Okay, so we're looking at 96 number 12, which is talking about this right angle triangle with two legs, x and y. And it's asking what's going to happen if we do something to x and y, what's going to be the change in length, okay? And anytime you see the word change in, it's going to be a situation where you have to find how it looks now, how it looks later, and how it's changed, okay? So we're talking about the change in, sorry, it's not the change in length, it's actually the change in area that we're being asked about, okay? So let's find what the area is right now before we change it. I'm just going to call that area 1 for the first area, right? And of course, area of a triangle is half times base times height, and in this case, that's half times the base, which is y, times the height, which is x. So this equals 1/2 xy. And then it says, how are we changing it? Well, we are doubling. The length of one side is doubled and the length of the other side is halved. Okay, so if we're going to change it, then we're going to say that, let's say instead of x, we're going to double it. Well, double x is 2x, right? And half of the other side would be 1/2 y, or y over 2, right? That's the same thing, 1/2 y. It's the same thing. And so our new area is going to be 1/2 times the base times the length, sorry, the base times the height, and 1/2 times y over 2, that's going to all together equal 2xy over 4. That's just multiplying fractions. These two things cancel out, and we have 1/2 xy. And the change then, so the change is, where did we end up, or the amount of area that we ended up with, minus the amount of area that we started with, right? We want to see how it's changed. So the new situation minus the old situation. And I think that gives us 1/2 xy minus 1/2 xy. And that actually shows us that the area doesn't actually change if we double the length of one side and halve the length of the other side.